Hello my friends, how are you? What is my task for today? Nikos, I want a nice recipe of New York cheesecake. New York cheesecake. But vegan. A vegan New York cheesecake. I have the right recipe. Time for the kitchen. Let's make a nice vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free New York cheesecake. Our recipe is very simple because we have only two steps. The first step is to crack the biscuits with the butter, and the second step is to make the filling, the cream. We turn on the heat and we add the vegetable vegan butter. In a mixing blender, we add all the biscuits and we crack them. The biscuits is gluten-free. We mix these two together, we clean the blender and we add the ingredients for the filling. The second step is to make the filling, the cream. We put all the ingredients together and it's ready. We have to make a nice layer of baking paper. We make the base with the biscuits and we add the filling. Now we cover our pan with aluminum foil. We take a bigger pan, we put it inside and we add warm water. Then to the oven. And our New York cheesecake is ready. We cooked our cheesecake for 1 hour. After that, we turn off the heat and we leave it in the oven. Then we take it out to take a room temperature. In order to be ready and tasty, we must to leave it for 5 to 6 hours. Then the flavor will make you really happy. Our vegan New York cheesecake is ready. Let's cut a piece. And now let's try this vegan cheesecake. Oh my god, the base is so crunchy. So delicious. So delicious. Oh my god. See you in the next video.